Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Raihan's world. As I have brought today excited video to you all. So we came to Dubai LSIF to see the celebration of New Year. Actually we went 8:15 but the celebration was 12, exact 12. So we were waiting for it and we were having some photos and selfies, and I was excited to meet a YouTube vlogger. So do share, subscribe to the channel and like and comment. So we were waiting for a whole time. The crowd was very full. So this is my sister Inaya, and she was so excited to see the same thing. So the countdown starts now of a New Year's celebration. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Yay! Enjoy with me, guys. Bambi. Happy New Year, guys, to all of you. It is the beginning of 2024. As you can see, the surrounding is full of crowd. no space to escape from here. As you can see the bike and the friend. Now let us start with 3, 2, 1. 2024. Guys, it is very excited to see in the live. Very excited to see. I was enjoying very beautifully. So guys, if you want more excited videos, please do share, comment, subscribe and like.